Someone stole my pen.
Your pen?
Yes.
Abedi, have you taken her pen?
Sir, she's lying. I'm not lying.
But we have one question. You say what? Is what?
Are you sleeping in my class?
No, sir. I'm just dreaming.
You're sleeping in my class?
I'm dreaming, sir.
You're dreaming?
This guy's line is.
No, sir. No. Don't mind him. The ink love.
Sir, she's lying. It's the throat chakra.
No, it's alacha.
Ah,
is that alacha?
Yes, alacha.
You are confusing me. What is it?
Who don't know me say? You don't know.
You mean the teeth?
Yes, the ink
So, that one is the molars and the pre-molars.
The what?
The molars.
No, it's in your throat. It's your throat chakra.
So right now, let's learn the parts of human body.
This one is the apple.
Check it out. Is that what I taught you?
So is that the way we write family? It's wrong. The spelling is wrong. How do we call a female goat? How do you call a female goat?
Female goat.
Yes. Female goat.
Female goat is a goat woman who pregnant.
So what is the name of a female goat? How do we call a female?
Mother of goats who pregnant.
If you don't understand anything, you can call me so that I can explain to you, okay?
The effect of school, so I'm a school echo form. I don't really know what is happening. That's why the other time I saw you preaching, and I said, no, there are some things that I have to seek for spiritual assistance. Now, so no, I invite you to feel and fast and to it. Be aware of it, be not any idea be about what is really happening. My school and descendants.
Alright, thank you too for calling, but it's a good idea. But one thing I want you to understand is anything you are doing on this earth, you need a spiritual backup. Without spiritual backup, Satan will defeat you. I'm saying all this because and so if you are not close to God, you get attacks when you are building a foundation. Open a school for people is a good idea, but one perform to achieve their aim. But it will get to a point that Satan will not like any good thing. So now you need covenant with God. Get close to God. And I believe the living God said everything is going to be possible. Why am I saying this? You have to pray all the time. When you were starting this foundation, there was nothing like an altar built. You need to build altar. That you put all your sacrifice on the altar all the time so that what you are doing can go up. But what can I believe say everything is gonna be okay. Because we serve the living God.
Good morning, Pastor.
How are you, Dad?
I'm fine. How are you too?
I'm good by His grace. I went out to preach the word, and your message came to me that I have to deliver it to you. It's a vision that I have to deliver to you. God said very soon and very soon you are going to see the glory.
Amen.
Because your prayer has been answered.
Amen.
So continue praying.
Thank God.
And soon and very soon you see the glory of God.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Amen. Amen.
I've always been saying that it is the eye of a child that fears a painted devil. They that know their Lord shall be like Mount Zion. They shall never be moved. 1,000 shall fall by thy side, and 10,000 by thy right side, and none shall come near your dwelling. Only with your eyes shall you behold the rewards of the wicked.
Jesus. Can we pray?
Father, in the name of Jesus.
So, Pastor, as I was saying, so what are we going to do now?
Mr. Mike, as I was also saying, you need a spiritual assistant. You can't build a company or set up a foundation without spiritual assistant. That's why I said in Matthew chapter 7, I said that you should ask and you should knock and it will be given to you. So now what I want us to do is you have to make an altar for the school so that always we can pray for a protection, divine protection. Alright. If not, things are going to spoil. So what is going to happen is Friday coming, I'll call you and you buy some things and bring it. Then you stand on it to build an altar against those who stand against the school.
Thanks for coming here. Oh, I'm expecting you.
Back to school, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off. Yeah, back off. Busy make us school, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off. Yeah, back off. I've been watching me Kobe, yeah, back off. For grandsons, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off. Yeah, back off. Come home, my young boy, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off. School, yeah, back off.
Hey!
Oh my goodness. What you say?
What is all this? This is a phenomenal shouting. What are you shouting for? What are you shouting for? What happened? What's going on? What's going on? What is this? This is autonomous shouting.
Shut up. What's going on?
What's going on here? What's wrong? Talk. She said, why? Turning around. Go back.
What is wrong with you?
The headmaster to
Medicine? What the hell is that?
What?
So you don't understand. He said he took the headmaster to the shrine.
Shrine?
Yeah, so that I become the headmaster. Abba! First time I go. Abba! Please forgive me. Your time is up. Jackie.
Hey, wait. What is all this? What is this?
He owe me. No. He bring the school for charm. To charm the school and make him the headmaster. Jesus! He didn't pay me, now I'm collecting my fee.
Hey. Black magic?
What? Hey, you call it black magic? It's white magic. Jesus. It's white magic. Master, come on.
This serious.
I need my money.
Wow.
Please. Hey. Don't allow me to die. I mean, he means he took the school to the shrine. I mean, the voodoo. Look.
Whatever you call this, whether black magic, can you take this out of my school?
Take him away. Can
you handle this? What is this? Why do you bring this in my school? What's your problem?
You are talking to me like this.
Take him out of here.
I'll kill you. I'll kill you. No,
Mike, handle this.
Hey, I'll kill you. Hey, get out. Take him away. My friend, sorry and give me my money. Sorry and give me my money. Jesus Christ. Bena medina hey me trap na chebela please forgive me.
I told you.
My friend, give me my money.
I told you. Up there, you.
I didn't know say this man you can do something like that. That's why I was fighting you. This man you be wicked man.
You promised me you give me this big woman. You promised me you give me this big woman. You didn't give me. You didn't give me. You will give me this woman as a girlfriend. You did. Yes, he told me he will give it. You give me to you. So I will do this and do this.
I will cover you.
You've been wicked man.
I'm crying. I'm not making fun. I'm not making fun. Come here. Let me register you now. Let's go. I'm going to register you. I haven't really. I'll register all of you in my Akan school. Let's go. Are you guys? Get out of my school. I'll kill you. You do what? Get out of my school. I'll kill you. You do what? I'll kill you. Will you stop this? I'll kill you. Come on. I'll kill you. Where are you going? They say, over side. Sure, me sound. I want forms. Now I want to sound.
I'll film my forms. I'll film my forms.
Over fill forms. On how you are. Go. No problem. Go, Olivia. Go. Hey, I'm telling you. Leave. Me don't play for me. I'll kill you. Leave. I'll kill you. Leave.
You can't sacrifice. Take it easy.
I'm nonsense.
I want to protect the school.
Please, relax. Relax.
Why relax? Huh? Zacchaeus, you think say you are so? I told you I would disgrace you. I told you I would disgrace you.
Relax.
Sure. What's that kind of relax again?
Relax.
Who come and say me if you say relax, the way I will let people beat you.
Relax.
Let's go. You are going to pay me. Let's go.
Relax.
Let's go. You are going to pay me.
Relax.
Let's go.
Relax. Headmaster, praise the Lord.
Oh, hallelujah. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, thank God.
Yes, sir.
Well, I was just preparing a sermon for this weekend. God delivers Daniel from the lions. And the first point I was working on is total trust in the Lord. So I was just getting ready when it was okay.
Praise the Lord.
Headmaster. This is your own message.
Yeah.
This is your own message.
Why do you say that?
It is.
You see that we are very, very happy. You see, that your case is just like a Joseph case. You know Joseph in the Bible. You see, Joseph didn't rape the woman and fabricated the story. By the end of the day, Joseph got victory. All that I am saying is that the culprit in this case has been arrested. We have caught the culprit in this case. So in fact, the school need you very, very badly. You have to come back to the school. That is why we are here. We are very, very happy to inform you that you are coming back to the school and to join us as our own headmaster.
I told you are going to be vindicated.
Yes.
The truth has come out. The whole issue was influenced by Juju. That man called Zacchaeus.
Zacchaeus?
Yes.
So he was behind all this?
Oh.
You see, I knew that God would definitely vindicate me. Yes. I didn't know it would be so fast.
Yeah.
It is so fast.
Yeah.
Oh God,
He has done it. We are all happy.
He has done it.
You are alive. Yesterday, today, and forever.
Amen.
You are alive.
Amen.
Zacchaeus.
Master.
So what came upon you to do what you did?
A Satan.
From the globalist to eschatological divinity, all that you were pontificating was to become the headmaster. Because of that, you conceived evil, you nurtured evil, and you gave birth to evil. Well, when this thing occurred, I fasted and prayed for 3 days, just like the way Esther led the entire Israel nation to fast when Haman wanted to extricate the Israelites.
Please forgive me.
Well, I've already forgiven you. If I had not forgiven you, I wouldn't have allowed you here. But once I allowed you in, I've forgiven you. But it is left to you, one, to forgive yourself, and for the students and the school authorities to forgive you. But to know that evil comes upon him. Evil comes upon the person who thinks about evil.
We need you back. 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 We need you back.
This morning I'm here to preach the word to you. And the whole thing is about sins. Lamentation 5:7. Was here January born in and we carry their iniquities. And Yamaya Janum ya a solitary brabono. And nay disho. And to one one pabofwa. What you do not love sleep, you grow poor. Those who sleep, they will not prosper. When you read the book of Psalm 32 verse 1.
Praise the Lord! Praise the Lord! Praise the Lord! Pastor! Wait, Nyame apporter.
Wow.
Actually, Nyame inside no eduma.
Wow.
It's a honor I'm in Akuapem Twi. I am a senior review. Ama Jesus. Ama Jesus. I am a senior review.
Hey, what has happened? Yes. What is happening?
The immaculability of draconization
Guys.
is unbeatable to unpluralization.
Wow.
Pastor, you are stylistically championship.
Jesus.
Sure.
It
I was in my permanent place of domicile when Zacchaeus came there.
Jesus.
With his tail in between his legs.
Wow.
Crying like a baby.
Wow.
He's sorry. Whatever he has done,
wow.
It was the devil. It was the devil. Our God is alive. Our God is alive. And your prophecy has come to pass.
We give you praise. We give you
We need you back.
Is that your people?
We need you back. 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 We need you back.
Thank you so much. I want to thank you so much for coming into this family and bringing peace into the house. It was really, really messed up. We are much grateful. We would like you to, come regularly and, help us with prayers so that we can be united.
We thank God. We give the glory to the glory owner. He said, in all things, you have to give thanks to God. But one thing I want you to understand is try and come close to God. Yeah. Because when you come close to God, everything is going to be possible. You understand?
Yeah.
And one thing I can say is try and come to church. And I believe my maker that he can do it.
Mm.
Okay, I think I'll take mine.
So see you. I'll be here. Idiot. You the small pastors. When you get so much time, you want to counter us. Meanwhile, somebody you know free. You come and take the Hey! Anas! Oh, so is that you? Huh?
And what is the meaning of that?
Oh, so you have become the Nyantachi in my life, collecting bribe from the school to disgrace me. You want me, Canada Japan, to fight you, right?
Spirit of God.
Just I want to wire Nyantachi. Oh, my brother, my bribe, so you are foolish.
And why are you doing all this?
Is it your investment?
Why do you want to spoil somebody's investment just like that?
Is it your investment? That investment, is it your investment? So you have been praying to counter me. When I open prayer, the counter me. Why is it that me say you don't want me to spoil the person?
Somebody to employ you and at the end of the day pay you. Look at what you are doing.
And is it your concern?
The best way is to repent from your sins.
It is my talent. Do you think they will give you can you get some to chop? You think so you can get their money?
You destroy it and I made it good.
You
in the name of the Heavenly Father.
You made it good.
Yes.
You are liar. I don't know why is it that you don't want to you don't want to join your leg? Hey, I'm talking. You are going out. I'll stop. Make sure you should be here. I don't want you. Why are you analyze yourself? You analyze.
And why do you also want to destroy somebody's
investment? Because
that is what I don't understand.
It is my duty. Because stay away from my.
It's not going to help you and repent. I mean it again.
The way you are doing like this, you are doing. If you bring your hand plus my mouth, I will chew. I will chew your hand.
Jesus Christ.
I will chew like dog. My jaw sacrament. Why? What is wrong with you? Why don't you want to humble yourself before
me? Listen to me. We serve the living God, and if you have power, demonstrate your power.
I said, come on,
be very careful.
So you want to smash it for me? Who the for me?
I said repent.
You to repent, idiot. Idiot. Who are you? Who are you? Now do you know how many pastors I have helped? Go and ask him. Go and ask. How did he come by Ayanta Frey? Minam de Mano. Nimota Frey. Go and ask him. Minam de Mano. Go and ask about for. What do you mean? Now we'll suffocate away. Whoa. My boss said you are just a little children in my hand. Abua.
Adwa. Yes. Let's go. Oh, hurry up. We are ready. Are you ready? Yes.
You see, very good. Okay. You know the exam will come on very soon. So you have to learn hard.
Oh, I'm learning.
Learn well. Okay.
I'm learning.
How are you all doing?
We are fine.
And you?
I'm also fine. I'm also fine. Yes. I invited you here because of the upcoming examination.
We invited them. If I don't like that, though.
Distracting him.
We invited them.
You are one of the teachers.
But we invited them. You know that.
Okay. You know that this examination is very, very important. Because the one who will be faced to take will go to America.
Yes.
Please study hard and don't let any teacher collect money from you that will give you the examination papers. If any teacher is saying that he can give you some examination papers so that you will pass the exams. He is a thief.
Total lie.
And it will not help you. I am the chief examiner. Together with my good brother, Mr. Free, and the headmaster himself. We are in charge of the examination. So please, don't give money to any teacher.
Yes.
If you give money to any teacher, after here, go to the police station and report the teacher. So, what I want you to know is that the examination is not difficult at all.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Free, do you have anything to tell the students about the examination?
Basically, we have said all. But my little advice is that pay attention and learn hard. Work hard to improve yourself. You surely get better man, so that you can also be in the position to travel.
Let me enter inside.
You know the name. You know the name. You know the name.
Ifo, you can go to police station by yourself and come and arrest me. I'm ready.
I didn't mention your name.
I know.
Did I mention his name?
Not at all. What you're doing now, you're punching me with.
Yes.
Akutia. And I know. All the students, they know that you are talking, you are referring to me.
But did he mention your name?
I won't tolerate that. Ifo, listen to me. And you guys are standing there clapping for yourself. You don't know anything about the school. You don't know anything about the school. You can't command me from the exam. You know, he was talking about examination abroad and then you guys are clapping. If you come out me from inside, you guys all fail.
Sachi!
And you know the name. You know the name. See the way they are pampering me. You know that. The way they are pampering me.
Maybe you are the pump.
Yes.
Whether they are pumping.
No, I hit you. I don't want to hear anything from you. You were there. Before you was
ceasefire. Ceasefire. You should allow the students to ask questions.
Please, yeah.
Yes, you
put. Yeah, wanna send you.
Now what you do?
More. Birthday. Sir, you have one question. My name is Barry Mabedi.
Yes.
By all my colleagues call me. Yes, you go. Sir, I have one question.
Ask.
You talking, you said the fish. So which fish are you talking about? Is it cassava fish or red fish?
It's opoku.
So you need agony. You can be first.
You see?
I didn't say fish.
You say what?
I said fish. So that if you are face to tail, then you can go to America.
Student. He said he didn't say fish, but he said fish. Right? He didn't say fish, but he said fish. What he was trying to say?
It's what?
It's fish.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing?
We are fine, thank you, sir.
How may I help you?
We are here because of the exam.
What about the exams? I know, definitely you, the exams, you'll be 39 and you'll be 40.
Hey, sir.
Okay, I change it, 39, 40. But the two of you share, 39, 40. That's how I called you in the school. So what is your problem?
No. Say, face. So I want you to teach me so that I can catch face and go to America.
You want to be face?
Yes.
And then our school is collapsed.
Oh, say.
Yes.
Help us now, extra classes now.
Extra classes?
Yes.
You pay?
Yeah, I get money well.
Okay.
If I don't have some. My father will take me to London.
You go to London?
Yes.
No problem. So, no problem. You come tomorrow.
My mother says she will buy me a big car.
And sit with which part of your body?
This was money.
Hey. Okay, you have money.
Yes.
Okay, then tomorrow after.
Plenty money.
Tomorrow after school.
Okay, we'll
then we talk about that. Okay.
So what about me?
Ah. Go and fall inside the sea.
You know the name. You really know the name. That's the reason why I like you, this girl. You mentioned the proper.
Right?
I know you.
That's why I came to you.
What's going on?
I'm here to bribe you.
Bribe me? I mean, what are you? What do you want to bribe for? I mean,
you know, right?
I don't know.
Exams an American thing, no. Such.
You're talking about the promotion.
America.
The American.
America.
So you want me to help you? I like the word. Hey, you are the best student in my class.
Right?
If you don't know bribe, it means your eye is not open. Bribe is something great and something huge. Baby, you are there. You are there, you are there. So, I mean, how much you going to offer your teacher? I mean, how much? Are you talking to me? I thought you said you're coming to bribe me, but I think you are insulting me.
Oh no, such.
100 cedis for what? For the paper or the American? After that, what?
Yes, after that I'll surprise you. You know, right?
No, tell me after that, what? How? We are talking about money right here. What? You give me 200. I'll do everything for you 3 guys. I mean 200. Yes, simple. The last time I collected 300, so 200 is normal.
200.
Yeah, 200. 200, just 200.
Okay, I know what to do.
Give me blow. Kodoga, how are you?
Oh, I'm very fine. How about you too?
I'm cool. I called here for something. I mean, something special.
Okay.
Something great. Something huge.
Okay.
Something bombastic about our students.
What about them?
3 of them came to me. They said they need our help.
Of course, students, you always have to help them.
You don't understand my language. You don't want to listen to me. Don't you see the American? I mean,
yes.
So they came to me. They said they want us to help them so that they can pass.
Okay.
So they gave me money.
Cho!
Oh, they did this thing. They call for bribe. I mean that poor. The paper you have, the one you're holding.
These papers?
Yeah, they want one. Only one. They can learn. They are 3. They can learn. So give me one.
Brother, so you have started collecting bribe from students?
I started doing what?
Are you disciplined at all? It's bribery and corruption.
Evo, why? Why are you doing this? Evo, you know me. You are my best friend and you know. I collected this money. And I don't want to chop the money alone. I told you. You said this one is bribe. We are helping them.
You are not disciplined.
Why?
You know that I am the chief examiner. Because I am a disciplined teacher. I am not corrupt like you. You are not disciplined.
I'm a disciplined.
You are not disciplined. See how you even dress. You dress like you are going to kick a corner kick for a Bofo Aqua. Yes.
I'm not here for insults.
I am telling you the truth. I am not teaching because of money. But I am motivated when I see the development of students to their next level of their lives. You are corrupt. You are not disciplined at all.
This thing happened to every school in this country. You know. I put there everywhere.
Cho.
Get out.
All you there fear. Kasa? Fear nya. Ajogli. The school authority will hear that. Like, come on.
Before they inform your business. Hey, maybe they scare some of them. I chop the half of the money. Oh, how are you? Fine. So where are you going? Where are you going?
Sir, please, we are here for our exams papers.
Oh, your papers, Your papers. Oh, don't worry about your papers. And one another may but it seems like I'm having difficulties about your papers. But you don't worry. Don't worry. You can come to my house this evening so that I can settle everything.
No, it's even already.
Me, without people, I can teach you.
I not understand. No.
Baby, listen to me. Without people, I can teach you.
Never in my life.
What did you say?
No. Yes. But you promised us today we'll get the paper.
You want America or the papers?
Oh.
Both. You want all?
Yes.
Oh.
Then come evening.
No. We want it now. Else we need our money.
Okay. So I don't have the paper now. What are you
The money. We need our money.
And then you kill me.
Section A. You are to write down the following towns in Ghana. Number 1, Kumasi. Number 2, Tema. Number 3, Tamale. Number 4, Areta.
Sir, please, number 3, say Arenta.
Number 4, Areta.
Adenta, it means Adenta, so write it down.
Sir, number 3, said Arenta.
Bedi there.
Number 3 is Tamale.
Bedi, I saw you. What are you doing?
Number 5, Kaswo.
Samahania.
Bedi, let me see.
Samahania.
Hey! Let me get one copy. Bedi, get out. Get out. Get the fuck out!
Don't shut me. He said get out, I'm get out to you shouting me.
Sir,
What?
sir, please.
Forgive him.
Forgive who?
You guys think you're playing here?
I just write only quadra, so you said get out.
Get out!
I'm taking it again.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Number 1, Kumasi. Number 2, Tema.
Hey, go Pere!
Number 2, Tema.
Go Pere, what are you doing?
Sir,
Number 3,
nothing.
Tamale.
I'm just writing.
No, you just let me see. Open.
Oh, sir.
Open your this.
Sir.
Open it!
Sir, please, I'm writing.
I'm not playing here.
Oh, sir. Sir, see my writing.
Open it. Get out.
Oh, sir.
I said get out! You think you are joking here?
Sir,
Get out!
number 5.
Get out!
Sir, I'm not copying anything.
You think you're
Leave the class.
Leave the class.
Sir, I'm not copying anything.
I said leave!
Sir, I'm not copying anything. Oh, sir.
Continue.
Sir, number 5.
Let's continue.
You're not playing here.
Agbozo in the Volta region. Number 5, Kaswo.
You're sleeping in exam hall? What are you doing? Right it? You see? You don't come to school early. You come.
Number 6, Odaso.
Hey, Alpha! Are you calling me?
Number 7, Dorowa.
Alpha down.
Number 8, Nungwo. Number 9, Agbozuma. Number 10, Aplau.
Hey, Adua! I'm
Number
standing
2,
behind you and
Tema.
you're still copying. You're not afraid of me. You give it to me. Give me your paper. Give me your paper. Give it to me. And leave. Leave! You think you're joking here? This is the formal exam. You think we are playing here? Get out from my class!
Let's continue. Number 4. Number 4. You just write it down.
Or you're writing?
And I'm only seeing you. That's what I do.
Sir,
Are you calling me?
come and look at this.
I can see some bottom there. Are they serious? Hey! Let me see your hands. I'm in your palm. Afa. Forgive me, sir. Sorry. If I need you, please get out.
I can't see anything. I'm
I
only seeing
know.
madam.
That's what my brain was.
That's what I draw, madam.
I know, madam. Listen. We are not here for madam. Okay, Afa.
Please.
I know. Afa, do me permit you. No, Israel.
Section B. Listen carefully. Kofi, that's number 1. Number 2, ama. Number 3, cat. Number 4, sheep.
Are you calling me?
Number 5, goat. Stop work, everybody, up and down. Submit your papers.
Everybody, hands down! Hands down!
Submit your papers now.
So this exam, you didn't write them. We have learned that we both of us want to go to a retreat. You didn't write the exam. The same person you are pregnant. What happened?
I don't even know what I did. That teacher asked me out. I didn't do anything.
But
I was just writing Arenta. Good teacher said Arenta. No, I was just writing Arenta. So me writing Arenta was their problem.
They said you were copying.
No.
You didn't learn or you learned? Eh? So what will you do now?
I don't know. What should I do?
Me too, I don't know.
Hello students, the term is over and then all of you have been amazing and awesome. But now we have to take the first 3 during the exams who perform really well so that we can take them outside and then to represent the school, and then their names are here. So I will leave the rest to Sefi to announce the names of those people who qualify to travel. Okay, sir.
Clap for him.
Okay, on my list I have 3 performing students. And I'll mention the last one also. Okay, these are the well-performed students. Lucy Kanga, the first student.
Clap for her, clap for her, clap for her.
Adwa Smart is the second.
Allah, smart one. Smart one. Smart one. Clap. Don't you
The third one is Showboy.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Oh, say, I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Oh, school, what did you do to me?
The low performed student is Nayas.
Oh yeah.
What are reading?
Hey.
Okay, people. First of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out to support this school. It was a very great discussion between me and my brother here. We wanted to have a school in this village so that people can learn how to speak good English and educate themselves. And I'm really happy that some of you came to this school not because of the money that we wanted to give you guys, but to learn. Thank you so much for leaving your children and coming to be in this school. Thank you. Please, shut up. Please, after this thing, these people, can you dissolve them? Can you sack them from the school?
On behalf of my teachers and myself and my brother, I would like to thank all the students for joining this student program. I'm very happy you joined us and you're progressing. Thank you guys so much. And
oh, fine. Let's stop here because I have something urgent to tell you. Showboy, you're my best friend. I mean, the best student I ever completed with. Showboy, I called you here for, something rectangular. Because I'm to negotiation. We are coming to negotiate. Sure, but you know, you know. I mean, the first day you saw your destiny, I mean, you heard about your aggregate, you know, it was unfortunately, I know, yeah, because you said will be surprised. Yeah. So I was the one who did it. I was the one who helped you. So, sure boy, this is simple and short. I know you are going to America. You all know, I mean, you are there already. So, I don't want to a situation whereby I say disappointment in baby. So, I bought this thing. This one is egg. So, you're about to go to America. Yeah. So, what I did for you, I don't want to do anything that God has called me. So, no, I don't want to do that. So, I did Kushana. So, do I give you a membership then you send it. Once and
I'm very happy and I'm very excited.
Oh wow!
I like your dialogues because we are flowing.
Because I'm a good teacher in your school, yeah.
You see, in this life, if you want to go far, you go with someone. You see, when I'm come to this school, you take me as your brother and your brother.
Son, everything, yeah.
Everything is blah blah blah. You see, don't put yourself on someone. If you put yourself on someone, it will not help you.
Meaning?
Meaning is that, I want to tell you that, please, I will disappoint you.
You said?
I will disappoint you.
Oh, wow.
Because now, you see, you can't stop me.
I know.
Yeah. Because this egg, you want me to curse that when I'm going, I will send you things or I will come and help you.
Sure, but I don't want you to talk much.
Sir, please, can you change my name? Because now I'm going to take a plane we call Lufthansa.
Okay.
So now my name is Lufthansa.
Okay, Lufthansa.
All right.
I don't have to talk much. Do you understand? This will be true. The first mistake I did was I didn't inform you before I make you pass. But all the same, I want to inform you that Akan Twi is my brother.
It's your brother?
Akan Twi, yeah, it's
my best friend.
Who?
Akan Twi.
It's your best friend?
It's my best friend.
So you're ready for everything?
So you know I offend?
No offense. So
you know offend?
If Akan Twi is your best friend, then don't worry, okay? You can go.
I will cheer it. Okay. This one, I will cheer it. Okay. Alright. So don't put yourself on me, okay? I will not help you. That one, you are not a pastor, and then you are not a Juju man. I'm not help my mom for you, so I can't help you too. All right.
You see your hand. I've told you to learn well, so that when we are going on anything, you get this thing. But look at you. Look, you are following that stupid boys. Look at you. Look at you.
Little, I'm very happy and I'm very exciting. You see, in this world, if you want to go far, you go with someone. All I want to tell you that you are my friend. Every day I told you, Little, learn hard. You are just fooling. You are just playing and fooling. You are just playing with them. That company and whatever. Bedide. Yes, umpo. Then you are answered. Now, once you are you see, please, it's not late. My friend, you have to learn hard. Please learn hard. If you learn hard, you go with us.
Even me, I try to tell him. But when I tell, he say, you, who are you? I mean, I don't mind you. I don't mind you. Look at you. Now where is company? Where is what's the name? Betty there.
I'm going you. Vagina City. I'm going Vagina City. That is a cool place. Ghana is a hot. I'm changing my oil. So my friend, please. All I have to tell you that, please learn hard. Please learn hard. Huh? It's not late. You can be a face. All I want to tell you that, learn hard. It will help you.
It's not my fault. So if you go to the outside, you remember me.
Why not?
Why?
Why not? I will remember you. By all means.
It's not my fault. It was company and Bedida. Bedida come and told me that the teacher have given him a pot. So we should not learn. So that if the exams reach, I'll pass. And the exams, they were written, it say, East Legon, Aswete, Malam, Aswete. So we go and write that one. That's why I didn't pass. By the next exams that is coming, I'll force myself to pass.
Then try hard. That's why you follow them. That's why you follow them. Then try hard.
Let's go. Don't worry, eh?
That's
You go
right,
be.
let's go.
So don't worry, okay?
Radio my family your bonnet. The thing and as MCS Shamobo as Yetamumbu Tukoi. Na good process no so. Yeah, visa ne ehuniama. Afie na nyame adom. Yes, Akan visa ne bibia. Good enti na otwe bi simene dwada ena yeko. Na me from the atumu na mo bia ya hoboa. Na de meka che mo se Akan Twi mu se mi bebre. Enya se mwate se mo bisa na ba na de na mo ko bofo de hu akire obi a se ne yeko ani se enya ne sa. Enti mo busuafo mo fanto manim se na ba. Do bia be ana se obepe bag ba ko bi mafa ne maka krebe di ko. Ene ma mo be she bibia e be take home responsibilities you do until the only thing I'm bearing some crab of bush for my father bag. As a matter
I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Won't you be asking so my Anna Mamramo, no more bizarre. Mamma could be so be somebody else. Good. The changes be about nothing here, my tunes are from Namaba. If you be any of my son,
yes, Ajua. You lucky. Oh, you the go reveal me. It's doing of God. Hey, it's only God. You lucky, oh. Me exams come at the sick, so I no can write exams. That's why you didn't come to school. Yes. Oh, I see. Don't worry. Next time, by all means, you go some. Why you the fry? I'll fry next week. Next week, yeah. You the fry? The fry, top. Hey, I'm going with Lufthansa. What's that? Lufthansa aeroplane fly. Hey, you the go top of flying, yeah. And they go top of cry. Oh, like I want day some. Like I want day inside some. Don't worry. Next time, try and learn hard. If God permits, you go some. There is good. That place is good. By all means, that will be good. The place will be good by all means. And next time, I go make myself good. Then I go right. If I dey hospital, they putting water inside me here. You remove the water? Yes. And go? Yes. Me, I want day some inside Lufthansa. That they shim. So, oh, you see, top. And when I come, I'm going to bring ice block. I don't bring ice block. I should bring ice block. Yes. I'll bring some. I'll find butter sack and load it. I'll load it. Bring more. Hey, can't give me some. I'll bring more. Yeah, hot. Bring ice block so that I cool here. I said I'll come and give you some. I'm blogging myself. Don't worry. Even when I go, I'll call you. I miss you. Don't worry. I'll mix you too. But don't worry. I used to call you so.
Yo, my people, I want to. You are first of all welcome. I must ask you what brought you here this afternoon.
Oh, sir, actually, nothing bad. We are just coming here to give you a wonderful day or give you a responsibility. Sir, we thank you for giving us advice to qualify our exams. I think only 2 days on us. We are going to Virginia City.
Cho!
It's not a Virginia City. It's a Virginia City.
I think that rectangle square, when you are going, is black. Then you are enter, it's red. You can go like this and come. You can go.
No,
that's that place.
Don't be naughty. Where you are going is very, very dangerous. Okay, don't say that thing again.
Oh,
it's not for children.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I am very, very delighted. You see that I am very happy. Like when Ajo came to the school, Ajo didn't know anything. But now Ajo can now read and write, and all of you. So I am very happy for you. You go to America, and then you come back to Ghana here, become responsible citizens. Okay? And I wish you very well. And then I believe that you are going there to prove yourself. Okay?
It's a responsibility, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, Ajo. Oh,
sir, we are just coming here to.
Little, why are you crying? And what's wrong with you?
You are going and you are leaving me here.
I'm going and leaving you, so you have to cry. You don't worry. When I go, I'll call you. I've told you every day I'll call you 10 times. So you don't cry. It's okay. I'll call you.
I'm not satisfied.
You are not satisfied. So what do you do?
I will not see you again.
Oh!
Somebody will collect you from me. From there.
Nobody. You alone. Nobody, okay?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure. I'm very sure. You don't cry, okay? Don't cry. It's okay. Okay, don't cry. I'm very sure. Don't worry. You don't worry, okay?
I want to do one thing so that you remember me.
Okay, what is that? What?
I want to sing love song for you.
You want to sing love song for me?
Yes.
Okay, sing for me. I'm listening. And you are crying. You say you sing love song. How can you sing?
Do you like Kenya Roger or Westlife?
I like Kenya Roger. Kenya.
That one there did not learn keep long, so let me sing Westlife for you.
But you said it.
I said it by me and Miss Abua.
Okay, then sing and let me hear.
I swear by the moon and the sun and the sky.
You say you will sing and you are crying. Why are you crying? Stop crying and sing. Stop crying and sing. I said stop crying and sing.
By the moon and the sun and the sky.
Why?
I will miss you.
You is okay. It's okay. It's okay. You stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Where's your handkerchief?
Come on, me back. No cry.
Onya de.
Me back.
Oh, me the mama kwan wo. O de aka we ni. We are now the chirinti na when winning.
So as I was telling you that even I don't know why you Tina didn't partake in this examination, because these are Ajo and those boys they are not even good like you.
So that's why we have come. We want to learn now and then pass the exam so that we can also travel some.
No problem. You were even last, and I asked.
Sir, me, I want to go to America.
That's why you are doing like this.
Yes.
Are you 50 seats?
My husband, me, to pack.
You are like 20. You are 20 seats.
Sir.
You have not been read the 50 seats. You are 20 seats.
Sir, sir, don't mind me. May I ask for me? Any help you want, I will give you.
No, not this type of hate. Me, I will not favor you, please. No, me, I will not favor. I am not a teacher. No, I am not a teacher. Me, I'm a disciplined teacher.
the meaning
Oh,
of people are
you are making me confused. Oh, the jaw.
I'll come back so we talk about it later.
I'll
come back. We'll talk about it later.
So I know you are serious.